In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can share a Facebook post, for example, with friends or family. So here is a post example, and to share it, you want to click on this share button you see at the bottom right. So click on that, and then you want to scroll over here. As you see, there's a copy link. Now if you click on that, you will basically copy the post and you will be able to share the link with anyone. And there's other options as well. So if you open share again, as you see here, you could share it with friends, you could share it with public or friends accept, and you could share it to feed if you want. And here, after you write something, if you want to write something, you can click share now. You can share it to Messenger, text, group, and if you open see more, you can share it through WhatsApp or Gmail. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.